Yo. What the fuck? What the fuck? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to laminate my eyebrows. I've been wanting to laminate my eyebrows for a while now. I saw it on Instagram like for a while and I reached out to somebody that does it. Actually, I reached out to a couple people and I was gonna get it done, but you guys know that I'm always surfing Amazon every night. And so I was on Amazon the other night and I saw a lamination kit and I was like, let me try it. Because the whole process, I've been watching YouTube videos and the whole process doesn't seem that hard. It doesn't seem like you need a certification. You're literally just pushing your eyebrows up and putting stuff on them. So I watched a couple videos, so I feel like I know what I'm doing. I guess we'll see when we're done, right? But yeah, I feel like let's just do this. I have good eyebrows right now. I actually didn't used to have good eyebrows. I like shaved my tails off when I was in high school, so it was horrible, but they're finally all grown out. They're long. Both of them are very fluffy and hairy, so hopefully we don't fuck them up. Cheers. So what I'm going to use is this lamination kit that I found on Amazon. I'm going to link it below. Watch the rest of the video to see if you actually want to fucking buy it. But the reviews look pretty good, so let's see what's inside of this. Oh, and you'll also need like some spoolies. I have these, have this one, and then oh, you'll need some saran wrap. So okay, so I'm gonna make sure my hair is behind my ears so it doesn't get in my freaking way. Make sure everything stays back. So now I'm going to clean my brows with, this is just regular alcohol, rubbing alcohol. Okay, so my eyebrows are very clean right now. Cleaner probably than ever. So this is the glue. Can you guys see it? Yeah, so that's the glue. So I'm gonna take, I have this thing that I got a long time ago, and I like this because it's really rough, so it'll be able to really brush through my hairs. So let's just brush them up. It took me a really long time to grow these brows, so hopefully this doesn't mess them up. I don't think it could though. I'm pretty sure. I don't think I would risk that, to be honest. So this is the glue. I really want to focus on this part of my brows because I want it to be as up as possible. And obviously at the end I'll probably end up having to trim my brows because my hairs are pretty freaking long. So okay, so lately I've only been putting eyebrow gel on them just so I can stand them up and make them look more, you know, fluffy and hairy. And so I felt like if this can do that for like, it's not permanent, but it's like it lasts what, like 2 or 3 months, then I should definitely try it. So that's what I'm doing. So that's like what I'm trying to go for, you know. Alright, so now I'm gonna get the Perm cream, and I'm going to apply the Perm cream on here, or the Perm lotion, which is this one, and then I'm going to put the cover on for 8 to 12 minutes. So and I'm just gonna brush it all in there. Make sure everything is coated. You don't want to not coat a section, you want to make sure everything is coated. I look like I got some like bad Botox. We'll see. Okay, so let's cover these babies with saran wrap. Everything is so difficult, I swear. Okay, so that one is a practice one. Wasn't good enough for us. So let's do another one. Okay. So you just, from what I've seen, you just go like this. I think it might be a little too big, but low-key I'm like one of those girls in the horse races. Okay, so we're just gonna keep that like that. If you guys are interested in seeing what that looks like, this is what everything looks like so far. Okay, so I will be back in 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, so it's been around 10 or 11 minutes, and I'm gonna take this off now. Okay, I'm just gonna kind of try to, you know, clean it up so I can put the next solution on, which is the Fixation, whatever that means. So my eyebrows look good though, and they haven't fell off, so they're yo. What the fuck? What the fuck? Okay, it's fine. All right, so let's go in with this blue. This is the Fixation. I guess this is, I don't know, this is the next step. I don't really know what it's supposed to do. And we're just gonna put it all over. I know I'm probably putting way more product than you're supposed to, or I'm like overdoing it, but I just want to make sure I'm covering everything. I want to give y'all a real a real lamination experience. Okay, so you're welcome. So I'm gonna put on a new saran wrap, and then I'm gonna leave that on for another 10 minutes, and then I'll come back. Once again, I cut it way too fucking big. Okay. As long as you just have it on the eyebrows, it's fine. Okay, so I don't say too much, baby. Okay, so this is what it looks like now. I'm gonna leave this on like this, and I'll be back in 10 minutes. Okay, so I am back. It's been about 12 minutes, I think, so let's take these off. So I have more of these fucking, don't know what their names are still. Can you guys please? Do you guys ever like forget words that are like regular common words, and then you're like, what the fuck? Okay, so I'm just gonna keep cleaning these until they look clean enough for me. Let's see. I was literally just gonna do this and I wasn't gonna film it, but I'm so glad I did, because I feel like I would want to see this, because I know a lot of you guys are gonna want to do this, and at least you'll see me do it and you'll see like how it'll turn out. So I'm taking an L for y'all. So okay, so I feel like I'm pretty clean, but the next step is to apply the nutrition lotion, which is number 3, which is this one. It looks like an oil. It's like yellow. Dip this in there. It's literally just oil, and I'm just gonna put it on there. Make sure, I'm always very generous with like the amount I put in there. I'm like that with literally everything that I do. I just overdo it basically. I overdo seasoning, I overdo hot sauce, I overdo fucking everything. I'm learning that less is more. It feels like I'm pretty nourished. TBH. Okay, this is the cleanser, so step number 4. This has been a very fucking long process. I'm over it. Alright, so now we're just gonna use that to cleanse everything, I guess. Make sure you get the other eyebrow, of course. Now I'm just gonna clean them off because I did use the cleanser already, so now I'm just gonna wipe them off with like cotton rounds. That way it'll like really wipe it, because the cotton swabs weren't enough, you know. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna brush my brows the way I want them. Okay guys, so this is how my eyebrows ended up. I really like them. I'm waiting to really like style them. Okay guys, I am done. I like how they turned out. I really like how they look really hairy and fluffy, which is the look that I was going for. I'm gonna show you guys an update in one of my stripper vlogs or something, because this is right after it happened and I don't have any makeup on or anything, so I want to, you know, like be able to brush them and style them and stuff like that with makeup. But I really like how it made them look really fluffy. I want to show you guys. So this is no filter. I'm done with my eyebrows with the lamination. They look a little red right now because I've been fucking putting shit on them all night. Oops, my eyelashes messed up, but I love how they look. I just love it. I feel like they look super good. Of course they're a little red right now because I've been rubbing shit on them all night, but wow, that shit really fucking works. Like, bitch, yes. Thank you guys for watching. I love you. Make sure you watch my vlogs because I will update you guys on how they look, and I will see you in my next video.